So we're going to jump that frog back up on that log and rewrite. Okay, so we're going to use any log properties that we can. So that'll be the log of x squared base 5, log of 16 base 5. Okay, and now we've got a log with a base 5 on both sides. All right, and if you remember, we had done a, I don't know, like little rule or whatever that said that we could do what to both of these logs? We can cross them out because they match. Bases are the same, ones on each side of the equal sign. So we can cross them out. That's a legal move. All right, which then says that x squared equals 16. Now we're down to an equation that you know how to solve. You've been doing that for a long time. X equals plus or minus 4, right? Now, plug them back in, all right, if into this original equation, if I plug in a -4 right here, am I trying to take the log of a negative number? Because it's 2 times the log of that negative number. Yep. Okay, so then I'm going to throw out the -4, but I'm going to keep my 4. Okay. So x equals 4. And if we want set notation, we can do that. All right, we can do x equals or we can do set notation, either one. All right, now this one, I think we had already solved this type of equation before. Let's say we had the log of, say, an x plus 5, and that's equal to 2. We had done ones like that before. Maybe we just had a single number here. I don't remember. This is in a case where we've got logarithmic form, and you should remember going back and forth between logarithmic form and exponential form. All right, so that's what we're going to do here. We're going to rewrite this using exponential form. All right, and I don't have a base on this one. So what is that base right there if I don't have one? What number is it? It's always a 10. Okay, so picturing that 10 in there, we would have a what? We would have a 10 raised to the second power is equal to whatever is right here. And then again, we're down to an equation that is easy to solve. Squaring that 10 on the left-hand side, we get 100. Subtract 5, we're going to get 95. All right, so again, x equals 95. In set notation, the answer would look like that. So honestly, I don't know what, like when and if you do math Excel, I don't know which form they're going to want it in, x equals or set notation. All right, so those two pretty straightforward. Things are starting to come back a little bit.